Hey, this is Jared Miller from my YouTube channel. Today, I'm working on my uncle's farm. Right now, I gotta get hay. So, let me pause the video. Okay, guys, I'm back. Just got some hay. All right, let's go. I'm gonna drive up. See you in a minute. All right, we're here, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, folks, I'm back. Now, I got the hay in here. All right, let's feed the cows. With the bull calves that are in here. Okay. All right, now time for let's see. All right, let's go to the pigs. Okay, guys, here we are at the, here we are where the pigs are. Just so you know, those greens in there are just cucumbers. They're just scraps for the pigs. It's not garbage, but it's just leftover food. All right. I'm gonna water the pigs. So, I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Next is the chickens. Okay. All right, time to do the chickens. Okay. Now, time for the chickens. Nice. I just collected an egg. Okay, they got feed. Just need to get their water. I'll be right back, guys. Oh, okay, guys, I'm back. I just took the egg to the house. Now it's time for a little bonus clip. It's a surprise. Some kitties. Some friendly barn cats. This video is perfect for cat lovers too. Alright, time to drive down to the calf barn to feed them. Okay guys, here we are at the calf barn where the younger calves are. Meow. Here's one of the kitties. This is Potato. If you watched one of some of my other videos, that cat is in this video now. Is in this video today. Here she is, Potato. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part is. Okay? Hang on. I gotta go get the cat food. It's in the calf barn. It's in the room where the... I just gotta go get it. Hang on. Here, Potato! Meow? This is Meow Mix cat food. Alright guys, this is it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, peace out. And stay healthy, wash your hands, stay home if you're sick because of coronavirus / COVID-19. Protect yourself and others. Okay, peace out.